So we're at the wreckers and someone's already taken the bottom sump off the transmission. So you need to drop this, find out if it's got the same part number as my car, and then we can use this one to rebuild it. So you need to get down there, get the conductor plug off first. You just flip that down and then get a socket in there. So I can't get the screw out of in there, it just seems to be spinning, which is a common fault if someone over tightens them. So I'm just going to try and undo the conductor plate, the valve body from here. So there's one, there's two, three, that's all I can see at the moment. Yeah, so there's one hiding in behind here, hard to see under the car, but now the valve body is loose and all the oil's dripping out, so it looks like it might come down. I don't know if that's going to hold on to it or not. So unfortunately it's ended up breaking the conductor plate, so I'm going to have to cut those cables and then we'll just have to do away with the conductor plate. Yeah, so that's it out. Now I need to get this conductor plate off before you can see the part number. I think the part number's under here. So undo the valve bodies. Keep these. Keep these in order. But what I want to see is, are these solenoids got the right part numbers as well? So 35 I think is the right number at the end, which we've got 3 of those the same. And then there's this one, which is 15. And then this one is by itself. I think the single one was the lockup, torque converter lockup one. So I'll take some photos of those. So this is a E320. And the part number is different for the oil filter. This is why you don't use the cheap oil filters, because they don't hold their shape properly, and then you'll get oil restrictions. And there is an oil bypass valve, so if your filter clogs up, the valve will release the pressure and then you'll get unfiltered oil going through your motor.